do this. Good thing I checked if it was on the right channel. Otherwise, we would have been on the wrong channel, and that would have been not as fun. There we are. Okay, welcome all. Sorry for that delay. Welcome all to the wonderful world of War, the War SMP, where I am building a memory game. So, if you've ever played Wordle, building Wordle. If you've ever played Wordle, you have to match, say, these colors. So say this is all, let's get a different color so it's easier to tell. Say this is all gray. Let's grab all these on the side because I'm going to need these colors. So say this is all gray. And I was to guess this. What would happen is it would answer what I got correct and what I got wrong. It would give me the red. Or say this is in the wrong spot, say this is yellow, then it would be green, or not green, it'd be yellow, red, green, because that gray is in the same spot. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split, hold on, sorry, YouTube's being funky with how it's showing my chat. So with what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it randomly generate one of these and have it answer for you. So you can play it alone and you don't have to wait for another day to do it. So, we're going to start with this. There's going to have to be 5 random numbers, so I don't know if we were going to use 2 or why am I doing a give? We're going to place an armor stand. Then we're going to actually, we're going to change that spot for the armor stand. You're going to have 5 armor stands, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. / tag at n, add 1, or it's not a string, so we'll add 1. 2, and I don't want to deal with typing in quotes around it every time. 4, then we're going to do 5. We don't have to do this, but I'm going to do it that way. And then we're going to / scoreboard. We're going to create a scoreboard with the name. Add color. Oh, it already has a color. C. Or word C. Dummy word C. They need to add the rest of these. I'll just say that. Hello in chat. Let me refresh my chat because for some reason it's not showing that. There we are. I should always put a welcome message in here. There we are. You can join now if you want. Absolutely, you can try it. The WordSP's open for people to join, so you can join and try it. Everyone can try it. Well, I might even get a world download from Flimble so that people can try it too. Welcome. Okay, there we go. This is. Let me get this set. This is, if you've ever played Wordle, that's kind of the idea. Why would that show up there? Okay. I'm a little confused on why it shows up there, but it's fine. Here we are. Sorry, it showed up in the wrong chat, and I was a little surprised. So, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to randomize that scoreboard, so game equals that / scoreboard players random / tag. Hold on. / tag add our tag at ER equals 3, comma type equals armor stand. That's not type. I may have screwed up giving the tags. Thank you. Add. Let's do not answer, not color. Oh. Colors plural. I may have screwed up where I put. I think I have all of them. Yes, I do. That's funny. Let me tag. Let me redo this one. All the way over here. Type equals armor underscore stand. They should have a non-player thing here. That's up 4, up 3, up 2, and then up 1. There we go. / tag. Why'd the music go silent? Add S, remove 1 / up 2 / up 3 / up 4 / up, and then 5. That should deal with a lot of those extra stuff. Random at. Let me see. / at E tag equals, and then colors we'll do R, comma, R equals 20. Don't have to add another one. And then we'll do color to 16. We'll do 16. I could do 0 to 15 or 1 to 16. I think that works. Now, if I randomize it like that, I don't think it's going to randomize the way I want it to. Actually, it's going to be unconditional. And let's probably make it tick 1 of delay. I put that way too close. Slash scoreboard. Players list. Okay. At ER equals 20. Should work. Oh. Hold on. Slash game rule. Send command feedback. True. Gotta remember to turn that off. Now try it. 16, 7, 11, 1, 1. Oh. 16, 7, 11, 1, 8. Okay. Don't worry about these. These are me. And that should be it. Let me do this. Going to join a chat real quick so I can, if someone wants to join, specifically Waffle, he can help. So yeah, that should randomize the colors. Now we just have to be able to place them down here. So how am I gonna do that? We're gonna have to just test for a spot. Let me just here. Let me do something for a second. Sorry. Make sure OBS is actually looking the right spot, because sometimes it doesn't. Hello, OBS. Okay, OBS is actually doing it. Okay, so we need to check the colors. Yeah, this one should shut off the game. And yeah. So, let's do this. We're going to do a check for each of these. So, how am I going to... There we go. Slash test, or we can do it right here. To make you repeat, always active. Cute. No. As at E tag equals 1. Then, well then, don't forget the comma at the end. So it's R equals 2 or R equals 20. Yes, because it should still be in 20. Tag equals 1. Run said command. So comma if scores equals what was the scoreboard called? Color. Color equals, well, of course I can't spell color to save my life, and Flimbles hates how you spell color. Hello. Okay, let's get this. Let's make sure I can see this chat too. There we go. Color equals, let's go 1, then run set block, find the coordinate, or actually find this coordinate. Control V, then set block to, let's say, what color concrete? White concrete. So if I can spell white, jeez. Score concrete, not powder, concrete. Now if that works. Okay, you know what are they? So slash set block, tilde, 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 concrete. I think you can actually just straight up put concrete as your thing. It's 1. If that's not the spelling. It's not a block called just straight concrete anymore. It used to be. There is. It's just not shown. That's so weird. That is actually so weird. I would have used that as a thing. Let me get the number system here. Because I want to figure out what the code, the Minecraft code is, so then I'll just remember it from there. Why not just give me the actual numbers? 0 is black. So it should be black. I should have known that because that literally means none of the colors. Sorry, I gotta set up a goal real quick to and make sure I'm seeing you and you and you. Perfect. So you would be dark blue, dark, or just blue, I think it is. That's not it, right? Okay. Color 3. Just want this dark green. just green. Why would it be dark green? Green. That is not the one I was looking for. So then this one is 4. And what color is this? Move you to the side just to make sure that you're broadcasting the right one. So it's alternated. What the heck do you mean dark aqua? What do you mean dark aqua? It's either aqua or it's not. What is it called then? What is cyan? Why not just call it cyan? Red is 4. I know 4. I know red. Or, well, 5 for this. Red. Actually, don't know what 6 is, because 6 is not what I'm used to. Dark purple, so that would be purple. What color was it? I don't know which one's which, so it's gonna be lovely. I'm gonna have to make like a wall in the back to stop people from looking at it. So there's 6. Here's 7. That will be 7 is yellow, orange. There we are. Just so I can see hello in chat. Sorry, I didn't see that message. 8 is gray, or light gray, I think that is. Yes, gray. I think they call it light gray though. 8 is light underscore gray. Do they spell it the American way or the, yeah, they spell it kind of the American way. I think 8 is dark gray. Or 9 is dark gray. So it's 9 is gray. 10 is blue. Light blue. I assume that's what it is. If it doesn't show up, that's a different story, but I think it is light blue, is what they call it in the game. There's lime is next. 9, 10, 11. Just making sure. Okay, so it gave it light gray. So, I mean, that's a good spot. that's lime. To be honest, it doesn't really matter which one it is, so long as it's the same as these when it checks. I think that is not cyan, is that? That is actually light blue. The heck do you mean dark aqua? Sorry, it's just weird that they have it that way. Cyan, I did do cyan, right? Cyan, right? Cyan. 3 was cyan. So, this one's 12. 12, and then what color do we have it as? Aqua, or whatever aqua is for this. Dark blue. What blues do we have? We don't have that many blues. We have 1, 2, 3 blues. Black, blue, green, cyan. Cyan's regular. I'm looking at the wrong color thing, huh? Oh, they show 4, but we don't have 4. Lovely. I'm just gonna have to put magenta and all that in there. Purple, magenta, and pink. Yeah, they just don't have those as colors. Why? 12 is lime. We'll make 13 magenta. Or 13 purple. Purple. $14 is magenta. 15 is pink. And 16 is white. This one's 14, I think, yep. So 16 is white. This one will be changed to 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. And then, yep. You get the point. We just keep repeating it. Oh, yes. I don't know. My mic, for some reason, Streamlabs is just really quiet with my mic. I don't understand why. It's just always been. go. This one is. There we go. 2. Nope. This one. 2, 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. It'll be much easier once we get rid of all of... Once we get done with all of this, there's a lot less commands, I would assume. Instead of 2, it's going to be 3. Let's check here. Wrong block, I see. That makes sense. Copy that. We're going to change these coordinates. Control V. Actually, which direction is this changing to? So 245. It's just plus 1. Okay. And just change this to 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4 there. 4. Then we got 4 here. Hold on, let me check chat. Can't really see chat right now, so we'll see it in a split second. There we are. I can now see, is OBS actually showing like it's properly should be? Yes, it is. 44. 4. Hello, Nuggets, if you're joining. 4. There's 4 there. 4 here. And 4 here. 45. 45. Perfect. Thank you. I am making what do you call it? The block Wordle game, or if you're, or also I think it's called Guess the Block Order in Minecraft. A nugget. I should make it, I should just copy down the word 3 at this point. It'll save me so much time. 3. There it is. Saved. Now we put you here. Yes, yes it is. It's a little higher than the game district, but yes. 5. Make sure this is 45. 45. Oh, I copied the wrong one. $45. Then change this to 3. Then it's 3 and 5. Right here. There's not an actual building for it yet. It's gonna need some help with that, but it is what would you call it? I'm having like a brain fart here. There is a way to get up here. It's by the New Year's thing. So over here, if you're looking for it, where are you? There you are. So if you go down here, there's a section to jump to it. Jumps you in the right direction. Yeah. This one will generate it for us, though, so we don't have to do it. It'll also make one randomly for each person, so you can't really cheat. Yeah. What color is this one? This is orange. Is this orange right here? Yes, it is. Okay, then we're good. Because we only have 2 more rows after this to do, and then we can do all the checks. There. 3. Control V. $45. Hello? Oh, hey, Nugget. There we are. Get that all set. Then set it to this one. So if you're looking for it, Nugget, it's in the, it's right by tic-tac-toe. At least the teleport up here is. Yeah. I don't know why I copied it if I'm gonna keep just typing in. That. 45. Now it should generate all 3. Yes, it does. Okay. Slash scoreboard. I'm gonna check them at the end. That would be 3. We're gonna make it 4. Write it down so I have it copied. 4. And this will be 46. Tag equals 4. Yep. That actually, I think if I'm right, it should have been answered. So right over here. You know where the New Year celebration thing is? Or just this way, I know that. There you are. Oh, that's what I get for moving like that without looking. You know what? Screw it. This is probably faster. Yep. Color equals 2, 46, and 4. Tag equals 4. Did I not tag it right? Why is it removing my tag then? 46. Let's make sure OBS is loading when I'm streaming properly, because it sometimes does not like to do that, as I said before. Every time you click off it, it likes to give an excuse. Perfect. For 345, okay. There you are. Okay. Why does it do that? Dude, I'm tapping the button. I'm not removing the entire thing. Stop. Why? That is such an awful bug that does not need to be in the game. Or if it's a feature, it needs to be removed. If I want to remove the tag thing, I will remove the word tag. I do not need you to remove it for me. Gee. There we are. Twitch is actually reading it. Okay, I see. There we are. Okay, so now what we have to do is keep changing all of these. Once we get through all this, then we'll be fine. Tag equals 4. Color equals 7. Not 45. 46. Equals 4, and then 46. Stop! It's gotta stop. That doesn't need to be in here. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Just so I don't have to keep typing tag back in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 46. There we are. There and there, just to keep my sight clear on that. Oh, stop. Tag equals 4, and then 46. We're down to our last one. 4, 46. To be fair, it does not have to display the front. Let me get to the right section. I am making why did it remove comments? Like, kind of removed comments that I had. It's so weird. I'm not used to it removing comments from me. Okay, let's refresh chat again. 4 and 46. 4. Tag equals 4. This equals 46. 4, 46. Getting onto this side is kind of funny because it's not really need to be on this side. 5, 47. 5 and 47. I don't know why you would want to be on this side there, Nugget. You'd be on this side. Just has all of the commands that are going to be here. That's Feist, not 5. No, I'd say sequel. I don't even care if people will agree with me on that. I despise sequel. It is the most annoying coding language to do, and it is barely does anything that I need it for. You can do this with Redstone. It is possible with Redstone, but I am not going to even try. Because that is, I'm not. Well, if I gave it a try, I probably could figure it out, but I'm not gonna. It's a long, arduous thing. $47. 5. 47. There we are. Then 47. 5. If you're wondering, it does actually look almost identical to Java. Java looks identical to this. This would be a method, so this is a group. I forget what they're called. It's not an array list, if I'm not mistaken. That's not what it is. $14 is going to be 5. 5. 47. It's close to, well, Java and C#, because C# is, well, it's based off a coding language, which is based off a coding which is based off a coding language, which I believe is based off Java, which makes it even funnier.
I need it!
Oh, let's see. I need to change that one.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Yeah, there's that one.
Butter.
Couple good ones. Now it should. Yep, there we go. Here, Nugget. Waffle wanted it out of this one because he didn't think it was. He likes it, but he doesn't think it's good for this one. Here, can you press that button? Not that one. Yeah, this one actually. Start this one. Press that button over there. What are you doing? What is this? What? Gotcha. Press it again. Okay. Press it one more time. I want to see if it can get a match. Yep, it can. Okay. Ooh, that's actually a pretty nice pattern. I like that. Yeah, if you want to look at it. So now I just have to have a check for if these blocks are the same. It can be, but it's not going to be. It's guess the block order. So each one's going to have 5 checks. So each of these has 5 checks. So I'm going to need 25 command blocks. Yep. So each one / give at s command block. I'm going to have to use a little bit more space. Each one is going to have 5 checks. Might need a 1 block more. Okay. Actually, I can set a status for this. It's kind of cool. So, it's test for blocks. Should I do a test for blocks or execute position? I'm going to do an execute position. At execute if. We'll do an execute if. If / execute if, let me see the full thing, and it's block no, it's gonna be blocks, I think, plural. Blocks there. Tilde. All. I think that's what that is. I think it's the test for, is it not? So T copy. If blocks, then this position, so Control V is the same as this position, then all. I don't know the difference between the two in that command. There we go. Just so I can see what I'm looking at. Run. And then the command is set block green. Set block position. Yep. Lovely. We need the position. Set block, Control V. Then I'll just do it. I don't even have to do a test for it at the end. I can just do set block lime. Luim, yep. Concrete. Oh. So. Oh. There goes Nugget. So if that's true, and I put a button on you, it should not be repeat always active. It should just be. Okay. Okay. Now let's say it's that. I will destroy you. Press the button. Perfect. Okay. So, it does check. Hello in chat. So it does check the right spot. I do a /fill. Yeah, I could tell Nugget. Fill. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's copy. Let's put this let's put this number in first. Then we'll put the other one in there after. Control V, red stone underscore block. This one is going to be a 1 tick delay. So all of these are going to be. This is going to be a. Copy this, and this is going to be a fill here, and then make it in air. Yep, there we are. Okay. Yep. Repeat if it's on. You're going to be a 1 tick delay later. So we'll have it fill this entire area with red. So that coordinate. It's supposed to be you are copied. But instead of that, it's going to be this coordinate versus T copy this coordinate. There it is. And fill it with red underscore concrete. So this one will have to be 2 ticks. This one will have to be impulse. This will be impulse. So this one will be, this will be 0 ticks. 2 ticks. 1 tick. Perfect. Then we're going to have it check the same thing. Is it? It is. It's just 44. To 44. $45, $45, and then I'll do a check on each of the other ones, which should be pretty easy. So you can check if it's correct, if it's in the right spot. Then we have to do a check if for the yellow ones if it's not. This is 45. It would be 45 instead. $44. 46. 6. 6. 2, 6. Perfect. Then it's 46. 46. 46. Maybe I can pull these back a little and have it check for the same block anywhere. Set it to yellow. No, it might as well. Okay, let's set blue. So it does have an, it should, let's do gray, orange. Let's see how that goes. I see the problem. That would be why. There it is. We're doing good. At least I'm doing good right now. I have most of it done. We just need a check for if it's yellow. So if this one would make it yellow. But the problem I'm going to come into is if this one's not already green. So I'm going to have a check for if the color is already green on the other side. So we'll see how this goes. So this one is 0. Let's see. Let's do this. Let me go here. Check it out. both chats real quick. Oh. It's an interesting first one. Perfect for that. And then there we are. Why would you delete the thing that I clicked? Okay. There we are. So this one's going to have to be 3 ticks. These might have to be the end. It should be 5 checks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then these are going to have to be 2 ticks. Two tick. 2, 2. Then these we'll have to figure out if they're yellow. But these can be chain, always active. Chain, always active. Chain, always active. Chain, that's repeating. Chain, always active. Chain, conditional, always active. Perfect. Now we have to check if 44 was the same as this one. 44. $165. $244, $165 is that one. That's the one to change. Yep. Okay. Probably should put these, flip these two. Hello in chat. Hello, hello, hello. Let me just hit this, and I think it should be. It's not gonna let me have a check for that, so. Chain, always active. We're going to have this as 45, 45, 46, 46. Should be 47, 47. Then this one should be slightly off, so this should be 43, 43. 45, 45. Chain, unconditional, always active. 46 and a 46. And once we're through with all these commands, it should be 90% functional. It's 90. It should basically work. There might be a few kinks in it, but as long as I'm assuming it's right, assuming that we did it right. Wait, why is this one 45? Two 43, 243. 243. Those two flipped. 245 and 245. 246. 240, 246. Yep. 247. There. This guy's gotta be 245, so then start at 243 on both of these, then go from there. Chain, always active. So 243, it's 244, 244. Copy that one. 245 and 245. It shouldn't be 245 because this is 245. Yep, it shouldn't be 245. This should be 246 and 246. We're saving the correct answer for the end. 247. 247. Well, this would be the one. This one's not correct either. This is 243. 243. Copy this. Chain, always active. 44. 4. 5. 5. 7. 7. I think that's what these ones are. That's 7. 7. 7. Then it's just this one. This final one should be it. So 243, 4, 5, 6, 6 should be there. 7. 7. Then we have 7 and 7. There we go. Hello there. Usually I don't offhand just because I haven't checked out your channel, so there. So we go 243, 243, and the rest should be the same. 24. 245. 2 this is 247, right? So then, if this one's 240, that would explain why I'm having a problem with that. 247. This one's 6. This one was 5. Yep. 47. 7 this way. And 7. Yep. Oh. It really is just minus 247. Okay, I was a little concerned. Then let's copy you. Oh, this should be 47 or 46 and 46. All unconditional, so if I was to submit the answer, that's not right. Oh, it's all lime. Yay, yellow. 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 I probably didn't change this to yellow. 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 It kind of tried. I'll give it that. Yellow. Perfect, right there. Now we go yellow right here. And we're almost done with this one. Now you spell yellow. Low. Should have been changing these to yellow first, but I didn't. Yellow. 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 This should be lime. Making sure all these are lime. Because I would absolutely do that. We change these to yellow accidentally. That is something I would absolutely do. There we are. There you go. I'm gonna have to get our seal of approval from the British man to see if it works. He is our local yep, Flimbles is our local local game player, local, what do you call it, Wordle person. So if I hit submit, should all be green. If I make it all gray, should be that. If I make this all gray, perfect. I think that's it. So she should be working. I will have a version of this, so if players are not here, And then I'll have a fill at the end. Oh, the fill with this one. Air. Chain. So if I was to leave and add a fill right here. End game. So if I start it again and then hit submit guess, there it is. Perfect. Okay, so then yes, theoretically you could just press it over and over again. But as long as you do it right, there we go. Try red there, and we'll see if that should work. Yes, it does. We'll put blue over here and aqua or light blue over here. Perfect. Fill air. Then all we have to do is fill this side. And then we have to put, we have to fill that with wool. Well, concrete, because you shouldn't take it home with you. We're going to fill this with concrete right here. So, right there, we're going to have to, yep, every single color of concrete I will have set up for that, so we should have a structure. Slash structure. We'll fill this chest full of these guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Delete all these. Could just do a slash. You know what? Slash clear. And then we'll just do it this way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16. Put it all together. Just like that. There we are. Probably can just limit down to 1 there. And then slash. I don't know. I like the look of this better, but that's what I have to deal with. Slash structure. Slash give. Add s. Structure. Block. I could just do a structure save the other way, but we'll make this 1. 1. 1. Then we'll name it all concrete. Save as that. Be a camel case it. All slash structure. Load the name, yep. Turn you to needs redstone. And then all concrete. T, and then save those coordinates. Then there. Now we should be all set. So if I was to, let's say, change this to 30 ticks. Nah, we'll make it 100. Every couple seconds. Then we set it to always active. We can fix all that later. So let's to say remove block. Okay, it is. Okay. And I think that's all I have to do. I can do a clear at the end so that no one's just taking them. But let's try a game of this here. I'm gonna play a game of this. That would have worked too. Slash clear. We'll try that. Perfect. It'll respawn it. That's fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Submit guess. No, okay. So it's none of these at all. Perfect. We'll just throw all of these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so there, it literally has all of them except for the cyan. Well, let's move you here so you don't even have to be here. That's blue here, purple here, and then we'll try red. So still no. I think this one was here, so you've got to go here. Purple's got to go here. Green's got to go here, and red here, maybe? Red and purple just have to be flipped. Lovely. Well, I'd say I solved it. There we go. I think we just won. So yeah, there it is. It works, I think. Let's make sure that's correct. It is. So, with that, hello. That's a working game. You can, if you want to play it, we do have a teleport thing to here. So this guy right here, if you're playing on the WordSMP, it should be here. If you're not, I will probably get a world download out for you. I have to figure out how to get these off this world. And I've got to cover this up, actually. I probably should cover that up before doing anything. But that should be all I need. Now I'm going to you know what? Why not just ask our the Wordle guy? I'm going to message him. I might even want to make a one that you can play against. where it should mathematically be able to solve it. Yep, and let's close this guy off. Perfect. Just cover this whole thing up. Perfect. There we go. I swear it does it every single time. Just fill this in. I gotta make tutorials on how to build these at some point. I just have to. And it's not gonna be, I don't even know if it's gonna be on this specific channel. It could be, it could not be. Because they would be like hour-long tutorials. Maybe we can have Flimbles generate a daily one. Did I not put a clear? I didn't put a clear for this side. That is exactly what we needed. Copy that side. There. There. Ooh, we're gonna get out soon. Lovely. There we go. Whoops. There, all the way there, and then perfect. Oh yeah, I gotta show Flimbles the admin tag too while we're at it. There was something else I wanted to show Flimbles a while ago. Well, not a while ago, a couple days ago. Hello there, it's been a minute since we've seen you. Hello, hello as well. Let's clear this. Hello to both of you. I'll just making that clear. I was saying hi to both of you. Let's see here. So if we'll just play another round while we're waiting for Flimbles. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see if this actually works. Go down. I may have to figure that out too if I want that there. I know first member. You've been here a while. Not the first member. That would have been Flimbles. I see. Unconditional. Unconditional. Yep. That's why I said we remember you. We're just see that in a second. Why is it doing that? Oh. Hello. It is Flimbles. There he is. Oh, you're deafened and muted.
Sorry.
Hey, Flimbles.
Hello, how you doing?
Good. I built a working Wordle, or not. It's the guess the block order one
Oh, okay. Yeah.
on the server. I am going to have to figure out what to do with this wall because this is just an ugly wall.
Okay.
Actually, we're not.
Is it on the?
Show you. Yep. Let me first tag you with Flimbles with add, and then we're gonna add you as admin
Yeah.
for tag. That's a special tag I did. You'll understand once I show you that. Here, I'm just
Yep.
gonna teleport you out, or that works too. Here, I'm gonna start a solo game. Those eyes look a little funny on you.
Oh, what am I looking at? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay.
I will take suggestions on the back wall. I did just randomize it for you, so we're gonna have to flip this whole thing. So these probably have to move somewhere else, but I think this works. So the idea is you would place your blocks here. Here, say.
Hang on, I'm just clearing my inventory of the other stuff. And Right. Sorry. Yep.
Okay, I was just making
So I
sure.
place my blocks in here.
So you place your blocks like we would normally. I'm just going
Yeah.
to let's go. You say you did that. Normally,
And then,
you would just submit your guess. The bot will grade it for you. Oh,
oops.
don't break it. Let's not break.
Wrong
so
button.
angry he doesn't get to play yet.
Yeah. Ah, right. Oh, okay.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
One answer's wrong, but I can probably fix that. I do not need to place the coordinates there. 247. That's the one that was wrong. I see. Press it again. There.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that fixes it. Got it. Okay, so yeah, yellow, obviously. I need a rule check on this because I have no clue if this would work. There is only one green right now. Would it all be yellow, or would it just be one yellow?
Right. So, hang on a minute. These are my guesses, aren't they?
That
And
would be
that's-
your guess if it wasn't. Yeah, I placed that just to.
So,
So
how can they be?
if they're, to be fair, this is the way I have to calculate it. Otherwise, this.
Oh, hang on a minute. Is this the result? That's what I laid down, wasn't it? Yellow and the red.
So you lay this. This is what you lay down. This whole
Yeah.
thing right here. And
Yeah.
this is the answer. Not the answer,
So-
but like this is the. Like,
That's what I'm confused by.
these are the wrong spots. The way I have to calculate this, this is gonna have to stay yellow. Otherwise, this is gonna be a very, very long.
Ah, right. So that's definitely wrong. So let's do that. Oh.
It's gonna stay even if it's correct in some spot, it's going to stay that way. And I don't know if
Right,
you want me to
okay.
change that, but that's why we brought you on. Oh, there goes Fumbles.
Ah, right.
Yeah,
Okay.
We'll do another game where you don't get to see it, but yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then to re-randomize,
So
you just
yeah. Okay. So
you wanna-
select solo game.
that'll re-randomize it for you, and
Yeah.
go ahead.
Right. Okay. So if we go.
So yeah, it does randomize.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Okay. So we're gonna go
Let me make
black,
sure OBS is not paused on me.
grey, light grey. Oh, I've got light grey and light grey, white, brown. Submit guess. Okay. So, nope, 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 and nope. So we can do that.
And I thought I could make
Right.
a special one where it's the daily one, so I could have a button for that, like
Yeah.
over here. You press a button and it would be like the daily where guess the block.
Yeah. Okay. No. So they go into the no pile. No.
Go to the NO pile.
And then we're going to move that along one. There we go. So next lot, bomb. So we're going to go whoop, bib, and bib.
Okay.
And we're going to bib. Submit. Ooh. Okay. Go.
And still hasn't gotten that black in the right spot yet.
No. Right. Okay. But I got two colours. So that's a no pile. That's a no pile. That's a no pile. That's in the correct place. So move that along one more. And then we've got not many colours left. Oh, let's put that there like that. So do it. Right, we're nearly done. We're nearly. Ooh. Okay. No and no. So no pile.
Hello in chat.
No pile. Yes, pile. Right. That's in the right place. That's in the wrong place. So we're going to put that on there. Okay, so there's multiple. Let's do that and that then.
Okay.
That's right.
See, it's gonna tell you yellow here, but this just means it's not there if it clearly can't go anywhere.
So I'm going to try that one there then.
I can try out a calculation. I will set up a calculation for it, but it's gonna take a while. There you go.
Yeah, look at that.
I might even add a cool animation for that. What do you think?
No, I like that. Yeah, it's very cool.
And the cool thing is you can even play it with the friend still, so like they would just break this all.
Yeah.
Have all this, and then you can just set all that down there. Yep. And then if you want to, cool thing you can do. No, not the survival guys can't. Is just break this chest. It'll respawn. Just give it a second. Watch, it just doesn't respawn there. One time.
Yeah. No, it's there. It's there.
I know. Yeah. And that's what I got done now.
Nice.
I am going to need help on this back wall because I have no clue what that's gonna go. Where that's gonna. That
just
ugly?
To. Yeah. It's white.
It's a white wall. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna need help with that, but it doesn't have to be done now. I just wanted you at least test this. Oh, I just added that special tag for you. Only we admin tags can do something cool. If you just come down by me.
Where are you? Just a bit down there somewhere. Where are you?
Train station.
This one over here.
Yep. There you are. So I sent the message in the chat. I did say run into a wall at the train station. So I've been watching a little bit of Harry Potter, and
Right, okay.
if you have the admin tag and you run straight into this wall, and it's got to be a certain part, you get moved.
Nice. Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
had to add it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's cool.
I think I have a structure name to add to this. Also, yeah. So if you ever need a bunch of if you ever need all of the colors of concrete,
Yeah.
this is the new structure I added. Load to it's going to be all concrete. Wait, did I do that right? What did I call it? I called it something. Hold on. Let me go. Let me go find it.
Yeah.
Or actually, here I'll leave this. Never mind. I'll grab it. Oh yeah, we got it. You got your news station. We got to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is normally stuff people can't see on stream. If you're wondering, this is normally where the stuff you can't see. Oh, this is Flimbles' nice area. I don't think I've ever shown it on this channel.
Where are you now?
It's been a minute since I've been there. I've shown the area. I just haven't shown his progress on it. I think it is up here. Yeah, so.
All right.
There. All concrete. Did I not spell it right? Oh. Tilde, tilde, tilde. Yep, there it is. I didn't put the position in there. There we are. I'm gonna run to the station real quick. So if you need all of the concrete,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take away a hyphen for that, just so it fits on the same. Oh, it doesn't even really. Okay. Okay, here. So if you need it, just type that top one in there. Where is this? Not the top one. It should tell you.
Oh, right. Okay. Yep.
And then just put the book here. So any structure name, in here.
Oh. And there. Okay.
There it is.
Okay.
Mr. British guy.
We are streaming.
All right. Thank you for telling me. Because things could have went south really fast.
With our fish and chips.
What are chips to you guys, anyways? Like actual, like potato chips?
No. Like chunky French fries.
How are those called chips?
Because that's what they are.
No.
You're on about crisps, aren't you?
No, I'm just thinking about like potato chips. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Crisps?
Yeah, that's what.
I know a few.
Listen now.
Yeah.
What about biscuits? What are biscuits to you guys?
That's the equivalent of your cookie.
Huh.
But they're not.
So have you ever had biscuits and gravy?
No, I haven't. No.
the most well-known, famous breakfast in American history.
Well, it's also a good Thanksgiving. I'll just say that.
I could have biscuits and gravy every morning for the rest of my life.
Never had it. Never had it.
Visit
I am like grieving for you right now.
Sounds
Like my heart
sounds,
pours out to you.
sounds a bit. I don't know. Biscuits and gravy.
Dude, you have no idea how good biscuits and gravy is. Like at first, it doesn't sound that good, because when you think of gravy, you think of like brown gravy you put on like a steak or something or whatever. But if you ever had white,
It doesn't look very.
I'm gonna temporarily mute the two for a second, just so I can send off the stream. I can't hear both of them, so if they're talking, I can't hear them for a second. So thank you guys for watching. I will probably go back to building Snake later sometime. Don't know when. But with that, that's all I have for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. There we go.
Your biscuits are like our. We've got stuff that's similar to that, but